Finding a good voice recorder isn't always easy. Some devices capture poor audio, have weak battery life, or are too bulky to carry comfortably. That's why compact digital voice recorders are becoming more popular than ever. They offer clear sound, smart voice activation, long recording time, and easy portability for meetings, lectures, interviews, or personal notes. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best voice recorders you can buy right now. We researched features, performance, and user reviews to create this list. All product links are in the description below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. METYOXMMX Digital Voice Recorder. The METYOXMMX Digital Voice Recorder is a compact and reliable recording device designed for daily use. It comes with 64 GB storage, allowing you to save hundreds of hours of audio recordings without worrying about space. Voice-activated recording helps save battery and storage by recording only when sound is detected. The built-in playback feature lets you listen directly from the device without extra equipment. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Perfect for lectures, meetings, interviews, or personal voice notes, this recorder delivers clear sound and simple operation. Number 4. STTWUNAKE Mini Voice Activated Recorder. The STTWUNAKE Mini Voice Recorder is built for users who need long recording time in a tiny design. It supports up to 500 hours of recording storage and features voice activation for hands-free use. The compact body is easy to hide or carry anywhere, making it ideal for students, business meetings, interviews, or travel. Despite its small size, it captures clear and professional quality audio. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, while the simple controls make operation quick and easy. If portability and long recording capability matter most, this recorder is a great option. Number 3. Occkic Multifunctional Hanging Keyboard Recorder. The Occkic Multifunctional Recorder combines a unique hanging keyboard design with practical recording features. It supports voice-activated recording and works as both an MP3 player and digital recorder. Available in 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB versions, it offers flexible storage options for different users. The lightweight and stylish design makes it easy to carry every day without attracting attention. Audio quality is clear for meetings, lectures, and personal notes, while the simple interface makes playback convenient. It's a versatile choice for users who want recording and music playback in one compact device. Number 2. AideeMaster Mini Voice Recorder. The AideeMaster Mini Voice Recorder stands out with its 1.44-inch color screen and advanced noise cancellation technology. It delivers clearer recordings by reducing unwanted background sounds, making it ideal for offices, classrooms, and interviews. The device also works as an MP3 player and supports up to 128 GB memory expansion for massive storage capacity. Its compact body fits easily in a pocket while still offering a modern and premium feel. Navigation is simple thanks to the color display and user-friendly controls. If you want better sound quality and extra smart features, this recorder is an excellent pick. Number 1. Vandlion V15 Digital Voice Recorder. The Vandlion V15 is the most powerful and feature-packed voice recorder on this list. Designed with a USB flash drive style body, it looks discreet while delivering excellent recording performance. It supports 32 GB, 64 GB, and 128 GB storage options and offers up to 29 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. Voice activation automatically starts recording when sound is detected, helping save battery life and storage space. Audio quality is sharp and reliable for meetings, lectures, interviews, or travel use. Compact, portable, and easy to use, the Vandlion V15 delivers premium performance at a great value. If you need clear audio, long battery life, and portable recording, these voice recorders are excellent choices. From compact mini devices to feature-packed smart recorders, each model offers great value for meetings, lectures, interviews, or daily use. Which one is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.